Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video that is to transmit on-off keying, or commonly known as amplitude shift keying, from my PlutoSDR, which is connected to my laptop right now, right like this, and I'm transmitting it on to my RTLSDR dongle, which is connected to my laptop as well from via USB port. So the flow graph is quite simple. I have a vector source that I'm using, and this vector source is actually transmitting 0 1s and 0 1s, and it's going into a repeat block. This repeat block is repeating those samples again, and it's being modulated, which means it's being multiplied together with a cosine that has a frequency of 20 kilohertz. I'm using a frequency of 20 kilohertz, and I'm controlling it with a slider, which is right here, center frequency, and that is being modulated and sent to my PlutoSDR, which is connected here, right here. Alright, so once this is connected, now this whole thing, once it's being transmitted, you can see my time sync, you can see my frequency sync is being transmitted to my RTLSDR dongle, which is right here, and that is being converted from complex to magnitude. I have set a certain threshold, and this is sort of like a decimation, keep 1. I'm keeping a certain amount of samples, and I'm just visualizing it on my time sync. Now here is when I run this flow graph, this is how it looks like. So when I press this play button, I'll get a few things. Nice, everything is being initialized. Alright, so I have a few knobs that I'm controlling my transmitter attenuation. I have my signal frequency, which is being set to 20 kilohertz. I have my receive gain. This is just a repeat input. This is that threshold. So basically what I'm doing, the graph that you might be interested in is 1, 2, 3 of these guys. Alright, so right now you're not seeing anything. This is what is being transmitted from my PlutoSDR. This is my transmitter, which is transmitting that signal. Alright, as you can see, the lights are on. So this is what is being transmitted from this antenna. This is just another antenna at the receiving side, and this is what is being transmitted. So if you look at this, this is the same bit pattern which I have given, and is being repeated again and again over 20 kilohertz of frequency. Now you're not seeing anything. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce my transmitter attenuation, and so I can see the signal. And what I'm going to do, and I'm going to increase my receiver gain. So basically I'm controlling the gain of my RTLSDR dongle, which is connected here, and I'm going to increase the gain. So once I increase the gain, all of a sudden I will start seeing my signal again. So whatever is being transmitted, I'm almost receiving exactly the same thing. I can zoom in. I can clearly see there are so the bit pattern is 0 1 0 1, then I have 3 zeros, then 2 1s, then 4 zeros and 4 1s. This is the pattern that is being showing. In on-off keying, what's happening is actually you get signals. At 0 you will get a signal, at 1 you will not get a signal. So on-off keying. So this is same thing as ASK. Now if you were to look at my signal, and if I were to look at this peak, if you were to look at this peak, if you were to move those zeros, so it's 0.022 megahertz, which in our case is going to be somewhere around 20 kilohertz. It's showing about 19 kilohertz, and this is what the frequency is right here. It's 20 kilohertz. When I increase this frequency, let's say to 36 kilohertz, now when I move this spike, and when I look at this, so this is approximately, if I were to, around 37 kilohertz. So this is what is being transmitted, being modulated, and this is what is being received. This is how on-off keying works. So if you have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is my small basic setup where I have my transmitter, which is an PlutoSDR, which is transmitting my signal to my RTLSDR dongle. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.